How to private featured photos on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply show you how you can private your featured photos on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if I open up my profile page over here on Facebook, right? If I scroll down, I have my details, I have my bio, and if I scroll down, I have a section called featured. This is basically my featured section. You have to understand that Facebook does not let you edit the privacy. Even when you tap on the three dots, you can see we don't have the edit privacy option because featured photos are there to showcase yourself, right? So if you're trying to make it private, you cannot do that. There are two things that I can suggest to you. One is that you can change the cover photo of your featured photos so that when people actually view your profile, they'll not be able to instantly recognize who this person is. So in this case, just tap on it, tap on the three dots again, edit featured collection, then you can select cover photo. You can just choose a generic cartoonish image from your gallery in order to add them to your featured photos or the cover photo section. However, there is actually a way to hide your featured photos even for you and for the public who views your profile. To do that, what you have to do is, currently you can see my featured photos is visible, right? Now if I just open up my profile page, I'll find the three dot here. I'll tap on the three dots icon, and in here you'll find the option called turn on professional mode. All you have to do is tap on the turn on professional mode button, tap on the turn on button over here. It will take some time to switch to the professional mode. Now once you've switched to your professional mode, you're going to get many more features of Facebook. But the magic over here is that now if I just come back to my profile page and then I refresh it, you can see the add friend has been changed to followers tab because the number of followers is basically your friends. You scroll down, there are your details. The magic is that your featured photos is simply not there, but don't worry, it has not been deleted, it has simply been hidden from the general public. Now you might say that this is only not visible for me. To prove that wrong to you, I'll just tap on the three dots, I'll go to view as, and this is how other people is going to be able to view my profile. They'll see my profile, my followers, but they will not be able to see my featured collection. They will directly see my timeline if you have enabled them. And this is simply how you can private your featured photos. Now if you want the featured photos back, you have to turn off professional mode. So currently you can see featured photos is not there, so I'll tap on the three dots, I'll turn off professional mode, I'll tap on continue, I'll tap on turn off, and then after that the featured photos will be back visible on my profile again. If I just go ahead and then refresh it, now you can see the featured collection. This is simply how you can hide featured photos on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.